Well, this is the trailer we bought. We did not buy the truck. We just got to try and get it moved. But, yeah.
Okay, it's actually not that bad.
It's not that bad. Could be worse.
Could be worse.
It's definitely homemade. I like how you... Well, we're taking the batteries off, gonna put some fresh ones on it, see if it'll fire up.
This blue stuff right here, I think the battery, that means the batteries are charged.
Yeah.
It's not of
good,
19,
good
they're not
connection.
as ancient. Not as ancient.
We're gonna move this up to the yard so we're not hitting a dig, trying to get it out tomorrow.
Assuming this truck will move. Does it have a power divider? I'm sure it has to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, not a too bad of a looking trailer. We kind of bid a lot, and we were like, did we actually want it? But we got it. You know, you just get a little bid happy.
We bid on this while going to get parts for our other Lowboy that's not ready to pull. So instead of fixing the one we have,
we're buying another one.
Needs fixing.
Exactly.
It has a 7-way though instead of the 6-way like the other.
And it has tires.
Yeah.
If anyone's in the market for a single axle Lowboy, hit this man up. We're gonna try and get this thing fired up. We're taking the turbo pipe off just in case.
Yeah, it's not a Detroit, but after our last Cummins PT pump incident, which we never posted a video of, but probably will, it's a precaution.
Another thing about this truck, we do not know if it's a 9 or a 13 speed or 10, because there's a, wherever it went, there's a 9-speed or 10-speed shift knob on the ground, but a 13 on the truck. So we'll play it by ear. There's no shift diagram, but they're all the same. It does have Jake brakes, so I can. Pretty straight old truck though. I don't care. The gauge just moved.
Yeah, you're already videoing. Let's give it a shot. Oh man.
I don't know. I couldn't tell because everything. Well, not too bad. I think it was last tagged in 23, if I'm not mistaken. Getting the intake boot put back on.